let's look at my trusty Timex R-Man, which today is Christmas Day. So it's Christmas today. So anyway, let's unbox that Skull Candy's Superman sound up rock. Let's unbox this right here on camera. Oh, that's good that I have long nails. Looks like I couldn't even get it. Try this. Here we go. Let's get this open. Oh. Something right here. There we go. Come out, come out. There we go. Now we got those headphones now. And oh, you do this right here. Alright. You got those headphones right here. See those? Look at these cords of those headphones. Alright, here's this. Let's turn on the light. Maybe you can see it better. Which camera focuses. There we go. Wow, look at these headphones. Looks like so cool. That I never had those headphones like that before. Anyway, hope you guys watched this video, and thanks for watching.